Imagine walking into a builder's office and saying, "Hey, how much for a house?" Their first question would be, "Well, what kind of house? Do you want a one-bedroom tiny home, a bungalow, a full-on McMansion?" Websites work exactly the same way, except most people don't realize that until they're knee-deep in pixel dust and domain settings. So today, let's talk about what you actually get at different price points for a Squarespace website. In this video, I'll show you what a Squarespace website really costs, not just in dollars, but in time and energy, and break it down line by line, kind of like a receipt. You'll see what you can expect to get at different price points, where the money actually goes, and how to decide whether to DIY it, mix in some help, or call in the pros for the whole thing. Let me tell you a story. Back in 2008, during one of the worst recessions in decades, a pool company nearly went under. Their clients were asking one question over and over: how much does a pool cost? Instead of dodging it, the owner published an article breaking down every cost from excavation to maintenance. And that single post didn't just save his business, it turned them into an industry leader. Because here's the truth: people don't shy away from cost, they shy away from uncertainty. So let's take the same honest approach and talk about what really goes into the cost of a Squarespace website. Anytime you buy anything, there are three kinds of cost: time, energy, and money. When you build a website, you're going to pay in two of the three currencies, and you only get to keep one. If the resource you want to keep most is money, go the DIY route. You trade weekends and brain power for lower costs. It's totally doable, especially with tools like Squarespace. But it takes longer and often ends up looking more like a secret clubhouse than a place of business. If your energy is the most important for you to keep, you'll want a full service hire. You pay professionals to save your time and your sanity. And you're not just buying pixels, you're paying for standards and smooth processes of project management, accessibility, SEO setup, clean structure, and sales strategy all come baked in. And last, if time is of the essence, you'll want a done with you model where you'll handle parts of it, outsource other parts that are outside of your skill set, and spend your energy managing the process. You'll save some cash, but you still pay in effort and cash. No matter which path you pick, the goal is going to be the same: a credible, functional site you're proud to share, and the difference is what you trade to get there. Now, let's talk about what you get at different price points. Just like homes come in different sizes and finishes, websites come in tiers. A DIY or template site is anywhere from $0 to $1,000 range. Squarespace makes this accessible if you're patient and a little tech comfortable. You'll get something live, functional, and on-brand-ish, but customization is limited and progress can be slow when you're learning as you go. Next, you have the hybrid or semi-custom model, ranging from $3,000 to about $8,000 at market prices. This is where most small service businesses land. You start with a template, bring in a pro for styling, structure, SEO, and save yourself months of frustration. It's the sweet spot: professional polish without the full custom build. Finally, the full custom build. You're looking at probably about $8,000 plus. And here you're hiring strategy and systems as much as the design. It's planned, structured, and built to work with your existing tools, your time, and end up with something that looks and performs beautifully from day one. Think of it like this: you can rent, you can renovate, you can build. Each has a price tag, but also a payoff. Now let's talk about the hidden and ongoing costs that people don't always consider. Once you launch a website, there's upkeep. A website isn't a one and done project. It's digital property that needs updates and care. And expect annual maintenance costs of anywhere between $500 to $2,000 for updates, hosting, security, and, hired contracted help, depending on your needs. Plan for a redesign or a refresh of your website every 3 to 5 years, as your business will evolve and tech evolves, and you don't want to look outdated. And don't forget data security. When you own a website, you have privacy and stewardship responsibilities. So here's why it matters. 75% of consumers judge a business's credibility by its website design. So updates aren't vanity, they support your business reputation. The value of paying for expertise. Good design isn't just about decorating the internet. It's about getting results. Business results. A professional build means accessibility, SEO, and structure are baked in from day one. This means your buyers can find and use your site easily, are guided to take the action you're hoping for. Not to mention, the site is faster, it's stable, it gives you confidence every time someone clicks a link that they're going to land where you intend them to land. If you don't want to become a web designer yourself, hiring the technical expertise you need here is just smart math, because a well-built site doesn't just look better, it converts better. And even if one new client books through it, it often will pay for itself. And now we're at planning your website budget. Before you start building, make a quick plan. List your must-haves, pages, features, software integrations you need it to work with for your business. Be honest about your available time and energy and match that to a realistic budget. Then you can choose your approach, whether you want to go DIY, hybrid, or full hire. Don't forget to budget for upkeep each year in terms of both time and cash. Your website is critical digital marketing infrastructure. There's no wrong choice for building it, just trade-offs. If you're wondering whether Squarespace is actually right for your business, that's exactly what I cover in this next video. Click right here to watch my breakdown of what a service business website needs and how Squarespace is not only fully capable, but with the help of a few smart integrations, can form the backbone of your entire digital marketing and sales pipeline.